Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Hani and this is Electrotech Nerd. And today I am building a PC, a new PC that's the best PC you can actually build for sub $1,000 or actually sub $900 for productivity and gaming. I'm gonna link all the parts down in the description with the prices. The complete cost of this build is about $850. So, and this includes Windows 10 from kingwin.net. So the parts that I'll be using is, of course, I got the Ryzen 5 1600 with, I'm gonna pair that with the Asrock AB350 M Pro Micro ATX motherboard. And Micro Center always have a lot of discounts on the combo. So when you buy the processor and the motherboard, the Ryzen, any Ryzen processor with the motherboard, you get like $30 off the complete combo. So as if I got this, the Ryzen 5 1600 for $169. Right now is $199, but they have $50 off. When I got it, it was $169, and the Asrock motherboard was $79 with $30 off for both. So I got both for about $230. That's a steal. That's an amazing budget. Great for gaming. Great for content creation. Micro Center always has those discounts going. I will pair this with the GTX, the EVGA GTX 1060 super clocked. That's the 3GB version, and it should be fine. The 6GB is faster in some cases, but it's not a big of a difference, and it's almost like $80 difference. I got this for $195 from BH Photo Video, which is a great price right now with all the increased prices of the video cards. I'll pair this with 120 gig Mushkin Tractor SSD, 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue hard disk drive, and I'll pair those guys. I got the Corsair 16GB dual channel, 8GB, 2GB sticks, white LED. I was able to get this brand new from eBay for around $135, which is great price for the current crazy pricing for memory, as you can tell. I got this also, the EVGA power supply, 450 watt BT, and that's 80 plus bronze, as you say. It would be more than enough for this build as far as power, and I got this for $37 from Micro Center as well. I'm gonna pair this with the Hyper 212 LED. I got this from Amazon. They have like almost like open box for $20. So they have 20 box Hyper 212 always on sale, like on Amazon. The open box stuff is almost brand new for $20. So most, like usually it's $35. That's just 20. The SSD was $49.99, $50, and the Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte was $45. I'm gonna put all of this in the CoolerMaster Masterbox Lite 3.1, which it's a really, you can't really buy a better case for $40 than this one. It looks awesome. It has a complete side panel that's acrylic, and I'm gonna put some red LED 120 fans in the front and on the back. It should look nice. So again, This old build is 850. There is no way you can do better than this. I can tell you right now. I searched for like a month, and this is the best you can buy. Go to your Micro Center, get the Ryzen with the Asrock motherboard, with any motherboard, and you get $50 or $30 off, and that's a great deal. Okay, and I'm gonna put this together, so stay tuned.